Welcome to our tutorial on how to enable automatic updates for Instagram on your PC. Let's walk through the steps together. To begin, open the Microsoft Store app on your computer. If you're unsure where to find it, simply click on the Start menu and search for Microsoft Store. Once you have the Microsoft Store app open, navigate to the Account menu. You can do this by clicking on the three horizontal dots located at the top right corner of the screen. This action will open up the Account menu for you. Within the Account menu, look for and select Settings from the list of options. It is typically the second option listed on the menu. In the Settings section, locate the option that allows you to manage app updates. Find the setting labeled Update Apps Automatically and make sure to turn it on. This will enable automatic updates for Instagram on your PC. To complete the process, toggle on the switch corresponding to Update Apps Automatically within the Windows settings. By doing this, you are ensuring that automatic updates for Instagram are activated on your computer. By following these straightforward steps, you can ensure that Instagram receives automatic updates on your PC, keeping you connected with the latest features and enhancements. Thank you for watching our tutorial. If you found this information helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more tech tutorials and guides.